think that's all for this video, guys. That's pretty promising. And it's looking good for a test ride in the next video.